If you're trying to share a post on Instagram, but the Add to Story button just isn't there, don't worry. Here's the solution. Step 1. Update your Instagram app. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, update the app. Outdated versions often cause missing features like this. Step 2. Check post privacy settings. Now open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Scroll down to see your posts. If the post you're trying to share is from a close friend's story or private list, you won't be able to add it to your story. If that's not the case, move to the next step. Step 3. For Android users, open your settings, scroll to apps, and select Instagram. Tap storage, then hit clear cache. Now reopen Instagram and check if the Add to Story feature is back. Reinstall Instagram. If none of that works, delete and reinstall Instagram completely. Tap and hold the app icon. Choose Remove App, then Delete App. Go back to your App Store or Play Store, reinstall Instagram, and log in again. Now, check the post. You should finally see the Add to Story option. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.